Put some on the ground.
You guys are my friends.
Put some on the ground in front of the camera. Shit. Oh, shit.
I'm getting a good shot of that pigeon. Right here, Ted, turn the camera. Right here, this one, right by your back. Look where I am.
Oh, shit.
Here, you want some too?
Oh, this is just glorious. Oh.
Me and my army of birds will rob a bank. Whoa.
Oh my god, these guys are just loving it.
Sorry, all I got is chips.
Oh, I'm sure they're happy with it.
Pigeons want some. Want some? Okay, you want some. That was awesome.
Did you use both bags already?
Small bag. You have like 8 chips in each bag.
Good job, Jordan.
I need some water.
Look at all this wildlife.
I know, so wild, so life.
I dare you to catch one. I just
It'll
dared.
peck the shit out of me.
Then grab it by the neck.
No, because it's against the law. You can't fuck around with Canadian geese.
Then grab a pigeon. Can you fuck around with Canadian pigeons? Or gulls? Look, they're so close. You should put some chips on my foot.
That would probably hurt. I don't have any chips left. Here.
Yeah. Put some bread on my shoe.
Let's see who's brave.
Let's see who's got the balls.
I want to get one of these geese to do it. That one's looking at it. Just wait. Just stay very still. I wish I can scare the pigeons away without scaring the geese.
They're looking at it like it's a trap.
I want to just stay here and I want to go get some bread and actually feed them. Or like a real
Well, sure, for a bit.
pigeons can go away. Here, walk over by this one.
Which one?
The one of these geese. You want this? Eat it off the shoe. Off the shoe. Oh, that's a good one. Hey, yummy bread and ketchup.
Here.
Don't, he's gonna take your whole hot dog, dog. He's gonna take it, it's gonna go right to the floor, and they're all just gonna swarm over it.
I don't know if I should be doing this though.
Just let him have one more bite.
One more bite. That's awesome. Thanks.
Don't let him peck your hand.
Yo. What do you think?
Mark! Mark, what do you want?
What do you want?
Let him peck at it. See if he will.
They're pretty cute.
Huh?
They're pretty cute. Whoa. Just wow, these guys are gonna get a heart attack. I have to break off a piece of this bun now. Or, wow, this guy. Look at him.
They're so friendly. Don't look at them as birds, look at them as flying rats. Just threw it. Let the goose take it. He looks so shy, eh?
Yeah. He's like,
It's gonna take the whole fucking hot tub. It's gonna slip right through the bunch, isn't it?
I know. He's gonna take the whole sausage out.
Just remember they're pecking at the ground, now they're pecking at your food. It's gonna dirt your food now.
I know that. Yeah.
I shall call this Fight Club. Damn, the
Who
seagull.
got it?
The seagull, the big seagull. He's laughing at the end. He's like, I'm the king of the castle. I wonder if these guys want water.
Look, that one's sticking its. Oh, that one's opening its mouth. Wow.